Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a nail video for you guys. So I have been obsessed with nails the month of July, and I've said this on my Instagram and probably by now in like a few videos. So I did my own nails with polygel and full cover tips like 2 weeks ago, and they turned out pretty cute, but I wanted to take them off because I prefer press-on nails because they're easier, and the process of, you know, removing my nails, it took about 2 hours or hour and a half or so. So I just prefer press-on nails. So last week I made my own. Let me turn this down so you guys can get a good look at the colors and everything. Yeah, so I made my own press-on nails using some full cover tips that I got from Amazon, and I think they turned out so cute. So I'm gonna prepare my nails to apply these. I think I might just wear them with sticky tabs on one hand because I think I just want to take some pictures of them and post them. But I might wear like the full set, but I think they turned out so pretty. And this is another creative outlet for me. So this is just, you know, little mini art projects right here. So I bought a ton of stuff, like nail supply stuff, off of Amazon. And this is the I got this nail drill from this company called Modelones, and I wanted it in pink because I think it's cute. You can get it in white as well, but the pink was adorable. Yeah, so I am a beginner, so I didn't know how to use or twist this off, so I thought it was broken, and they sent me like a second hand piece. So their customer service is on point. They were super helpful, and they weren't mad when I was like, yeah, sorry about that, but I just didn't know what I was doing. I'm just gonna twist this off and change this. I need some new sanding bands because I use that to file off the nails I put on. I might just have to use this one. So I'm just gonna lock it in place. First thing, I'm gonna use my cuticle pusher here. I don't know where I got it from. I think it came from Amazon. I'm gonna push my cuticles back. So yeah, on my channel I'm gonna have more nail art videos because I'm gonna be practicing in my own like free time and stuff, and sometimes I'll be recording that process and sharing it with you guys. So let's see what this is like. And this is pretty gentle on the skin as well. It doesn't hurt. And this does come with a like foot pedal, but I really just use like the hand pedal or whatever. And if you don't have a nail drill, you can just, you know, I've seen people prep their nails without like an e-file. But I have it, so I'm gonna use it. Okay, so I'm gonna take some isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free wipe and just clean off my nails. See if everything is cool. Okay, so I have nail tabs here, and I usually don't wear these because they're a temporary kind of thing. You just kind of wear these for a day and then, you know, take your nails off. But I think I'm just going to be wearing these for pictures because I want to practice some nail art, and I don't want to have to fool with my nails being too long. So I'm just going to do this. Gonna put it in there. This nail reminds me of Belle from Beauty and the Beast. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Y'all, I did that. Cute. So I'm just gonna probably speed this part up, but I'm just finding tabs that fit and, you know, putting it on each nail. Oh, as I'm doing this, like, in the comments, I know you guys like would probably like doing this kind of stuff. Give me some ideas of kinds of like themes you would like to see with my press-on nails. Like for instance, maybe mermaids, just, you know, comment your thoughts down below and I might do it in a future video. They look pretty fire already. Oh my god. And I'm just recording in natural light. I usually have my lights on, but I mean the natural sun is giving, you know, exactly what I need, I think anyway. These are pretty cute. Not perfection, but you know, for my first try, I did that. I'm not gonna put my other finger on. As I told you guys, I'm just doing this so I can take some pictures for the gram. But I wanted to share this with you guys. All I've been watching are like nail tutorials and like press on nail videos. It's been my life. I'm about to oil up these cuticles and take some pics. And I'll have the link to that nail drill in the description box for you guys. And probably the tips I use, because those came off of Amazon too. So did this stand and everything else I used. Okay, so I put them on and y'all, these are cute. Super cute. So I'm gonna keep practicing and getting better. I think they are so pretty. I kind of think I might go ahead and put on the second on my other hand, cause okay, so I'm about to watch Miss Chrissy's premiere. So I'm gonna cut this short, but y'all, ooh, okay. But these turned out so cute. Oh my gosh, I really want to go ahead and like put my other hand on, but I want to paint some other ones without messing these up. So I'm gonna take these off and put them in a box and probably wear them after I'm done like practicing and stuff. But these turned out cute. Oh my gosh. So again, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and drop me some ideas, some color combos or something that you would like to see in a video. I know I didn't like paint these on camera, but this was more like experimental and just showing you guys. The other ones I'll probably paint on camera. Yeah, I feel more confident just, you know, painting the nails and doing nail art versus doing a whole like acrylic set and all that stuff. So I like the convenience of being able to take these off. So yes, I'm happy with how these turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.